Okay, so uh, because the Matrix, because I was using the Matrix. Matrix is a Rhino plugin, but okay. So I built a ring, and this is just Rhino 5. Um, I just put this ring together, and then how do I do this? So, File, Export selected, STL. We'll call it ring blank, gents. Um, it depends on this setting right here. It depends on the detail. For this, I'm just going to leave it at 0.01. Click OK. I'm going to run binary. Alright. So if you don't have Matrix, that's fine, but there's a plugin. It's not a plugin for Rhino, but it's a program called Netfabb, and the basic is free. Okay, so if you wanted to bring it into here, you would just go to new um, project. You go add part, and we'll call this ring blank gents. Open that up. There it is. And what you can do is you can go right here and you can do new analysis, standard analysis. Surface is closed. Surface is orientable, whatever that means. But it says it's good. It even has repair tools in here. And it will evaluate this, and you can, automatic repair, apply repairs, whatever. And then what you do is you go into your um, where's it at? Oh, I gotta get out of this. Hang on. So you want to get out of this, you gotta go to your analysis tab again. New analysis, standard analysis. Once this passes, you can come in here and you go to part, and you can do export part, and you come over here and do it as an STL, right? Let's just call this class ring, or ring blank gents 2, and we'll save that. And it says some file formats do include enough information. So it says that there's degenerated triangles. So what you can do is you can just optimize it and then export. And now you have a Netfabb fixed mesh. You can get more into this program. I don't need it, but you can use this. It's free. Alright, so we'll go into ZBrush, Z plugin, 3D print exporter, STL import, navigate to your little file. What did I do? ZBrush test. Okay, so we're going to go with just the one straight from Rhino without Netfabb. Open up ring blink gents. Alright. Here it is. Okay. What we want to do here, obviously we go into our polyframe. And you can see that this is triangles. You can see the disruption of triangles down here at the bottom. See that? Because I swept this shank out. I cut it and swept it. If you were to build this all as a single surface in Rhino, you're better off, but I bet we'd still get this to work. Subtool, remesh, X, all the way up on the res, all the way down on the polish, remesh all. Skin, take that. 3 million polygons, that's a ton, right? I'm going to take this here, I'm going to delete that one. Okay. I just have this. Here's my skin. At this point it's, good to go, but still tons of polygons. Alright. It's going to be rough because without that polish. frame it, see it. So hit X, symmetry, go into transform, turn on the Y as well. Scale this out a little bit and start to do your smoothing. It's the only part that you can go deformation, polish, kick the polish up a little bit, and kind of what you're doing with the smooth button, this kind of does it as a whole. Not bad. I'm still going to be kind of picky about these edges. Like Rhino created a perfect sharp edge here, right? I want to smooth right on top of these edges. I don't want this hard edge. Get that smoothed out. Kind of use the light and ZBrush to kind of help you. See how well you're doing. Get this edge good. Alright, it's not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, frame that. Alright, so 3.13 million polygons. Alright, here we go. Will it work? We shall see. Geometry. Zremesh. These settings don't do a whole lot, but more or less, this is multiplied by 1,000. If you want to hit a target count of like around 5,000, you can increase this. You want to hit a target count closer, it adjusts, but you can kind of increase and decrease polygons here. You know, you can do double what you have, keep it the same, or do half of what you have. Adaptive skin. It's just kind of like the intensity in which it really tries to stay with your original part. We're just going to hit Zremesh, the way that everything sits, and we'll see how this does. So it did it in 20 seconds, and we're down to, what do we got here now? 23,000 points. That's great. Let's turn on our polyframe and see what we got. That looks pretty good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.